Hello. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for joining me today. And if you can, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Today, we're going to be covering a problem I have every so often in Excel, and maybe some of you have the same problem. Have you ever been trying to arrow from cell to cell in Excel and it doesn't work? Basically, every time you move the arrow keys, instead of moving from one cell to the next, it moves the entire screen. Well, why does this happen? What it means is the scroll lock key is on. Sometimes you'll get lucky and you'll get a message at the bottom of Excel saying scroll lock, and then you know the scroll lock key is on, but sometimes you don't. So how do you fix this? If you have a scroll lock button on your keyboard, it's easy. You simply hit scroll lock on the keyboard and it turns it off. If you don't, there is another way to do it. Windows comes with what's called an on-screen keyboard. If you go to the Windows Start menu and type in on-screen keyboard, it'll bring up this keyboard here. As you can see, the scroll lock button is on. Simply click on scroll lock and it disables the scroll lock button. Now, when you go back to Excel, you can arrow from cell to cell. I hope this helped you. And remember, hit like and subscribe, please. Thank you very much.